Hey guys, Moan here. Alright, you guys have been on me about that smoke detector sign that's been in my videos. Well, it's not a smoke detector. It is the sump pump tester for the basement waterproofing that I got installed. And when I called the company about it, they said that it's a 9-volt battery and need to be charged, and they want $80 to come out. So finally, I told them, let me think about it because that's a lot to change a 9-volt battery. Those one of these square batteries right here. So then I just said, I'll call you back. So then I decided to go over there to see what it take to change it out, and you gotta see this. So this is the device that up there it is. That's what you hear in my videos, and I couldn't believe it that it's just a door on the side that comes out when you reach the battery, and the battery it don't even sit in there. I'm sorry, it's not even mounted in there. It just sits in there. So let me see if I can just change out real quick. Okay, so after I replaced the battery in the sump pump tester computer thing, it didn't work. So I had to go and get these from Harbor Freight. So I'm not trying to spend a lot of money on it. I just want the beep and the stop. So I'm gonna try to get up there. It is again. You heard it. I'm gonna try to get this installed and see if that fixes the problem. And the Harbor Freight battery worked. Just listen to silence. No BB. I'm so happy about it. So, and what's crazy is that the Harbor Freight pack that I bought, it was only $2.77 for all four of those batteries put together. So even if that one doesn't last long, I know how to switch it out now. I'll just do it real quick and put another one in there. But I'm so happy. Look, no more beeping noise. All right. So there you go. From here on out, you won't hear that in my videos. And let's start to get ready to make some more content. All right. See you later.